I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Power the Xbox off, unplug everything, and wait about 10 minutes so internal components cool and capacitors discharge. Use a Torx T8/T10 and a plastic pry tool to remove the top cover. Gentle pressure prevents cracking. Keep screws in a small container and photograph each step so reassembly is straightforward. Once the shell is off, you'll see the fan assembly and heatsink. Don't touch thermal pads. Make sure to avoid canned air too close. Hold it upright to prevent liquid spray. Once opened, clean the fan and heatsink methodically. Hold the fan blade steady with a toothpick or plastic tool to prevent overspin, then use short compressed air bursts at a 30-45 degrees angle to dislodge dust. Follow with a soft brush to lift trapped debris and a 70% isopropyl wetted swab for sticky buildup. Don't soak anything. Blow the heatsink fins from the inside out, clearing pathways for airflow. Make sure to remove visible dust from vents and nearby PCB areas without applying heavy force. Once cleaned, reassemble carefully. Align the cover, press clips until they click, and tighten screws hand firm in original sequence so nothing binds. Plug in and power up. You should hear a calmer, more consistent fan and notice lower temperatures under load. If the fan still rattles or spins intermittently, make sure firmware is updated, then consider a fan replacement or professional service. If things go wrong, console won't boot. Recheck connector seating and battery of capacitors. Contact support if under warranty before further teardown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.